me. I swear you gotta feel me before they try and kill me. They gotta make some choices, they running out of options. Cause I've been going off and they don't know when it's still trap. Know the track me is really still the real me. I swear you gotta feel me before they try and kill me. They gotta make some choices, they running out of options. Cause I've been going off and they don't know when it's still trap. Know the track me is really.
What's poppin', y'all? Sam I am, and I'm back with another one. Today I'm gonna be showing you guys how I sew and construct my closure wigs. So once you get the closure all pinned up and out your way, you want to go ahead and begin to bleach the knots. So here I'm mixing some BW2 powder with 30 volume, and you want a thick consistency, because if it's too creamy and runny, it's going to run right through and bleach the hair, and it's going to be blonde and just a mess. When you get to the front part where your baby hairs and your part gonna be, don't be smushing it in there. We ain't buttering bread. We not putting cream cheese on bagels. Just light, little baby stroke. You know, because then it's all smushed out, smushed in, and you looking real blonde in the front. Then you gotta go over it with markers and dye and shit. Nobody want to go through all of that. So just, you know, be very mindful that when you get to the front, you want light, gentle strokes. So there is no specific time for bleaching your knots. I give it about 30-35 minutes, and then I rinse it out in some hot water. I then go in with my purple shampoo and I rub it up. Why I go in with purple shampoo? Because it tones down any orange or brassy tones you get after bleaching hair. So you want to scrub it up and let it sit for just 5 minutes, then rinse it all out in cold water. I don't really use conditioner for this part, but if you want to, you could go ahead. So if you follow the steps correctly, your lace should look just like that. You see that? Like this. Ooh, popping. Now, this is the most stressful part, but if you pay attention, it should be very easy. So you want to pluck from side to side, almost in a zigzag motion, and that's how you get it to not have any bald patches or little bald spots anywhere. Because if you just sit and pluck in one area, you're gonna have a bald spot and it's not gonna look slayed. So you want to pluck the remaining pieces of hair in your hand in a downwards motion. That helps to thin out the front so it looks more natural. Now repeat those same steps on the opposite side and everything should look like this. So here I have two 24-inch bundles. I like to double my wefts when I'm sewing my hair, so I go in with this little knot trick to keep it, steady. Then I begin to sew, and I do the flip over method. I do not cut my wefts. I don't got time for that. I only cut my wefts when I get to the top and I don't want it to be too bulky. Other than that, no, because it causes way more shedding than normal. When you're sewing in your bundles, do not go through any of the elastic throughout the cap. The wig will be very tight and it won't fit. You want to take your needle and use it as a guide and go through the mesh, but do not put it through the band. So when you make your way to the top, you want to begin to sew your tracks in a U shape. When you get by the front of the closure, you then want to snip the tracks. Don't do a fold over method here because it's going to be mad bulky in the front. So you take the two tracks, do the little knot method that I showed you guys, and then you begin to sew from the back, continuing that U method. As you continue to sew, the back should then look like this. Then after you get that track in, that last track, the top of your wig should then look like this. Now that we're finished, you want to cut the extra cap and any scraps from under the lace, and your wig should look something like this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned to my next video for how I styled and slayed this wig.